MVE Group and ESCO Security partnered with Keller Williams Elite and CSD Construction to renovate this 17,640 square foot building into Keller Williams' new office space. MVE Group upgraded their main electrical service from 200 amps to 600 amps to support the new HVAC system. MVE also installed a 197 LED flat panel lighting package that allows you to change the color temperature and brightness of your workspace with a remote control and occupancy sensors to automatically turn on the lights when someone enters the room and turns them off when the room is vacant. In addition, MVE installed 11 LED exit signs, 20 LED emergency lights, 75 phone and data outlets, and 231 duplex receptacles. ESCO Security brought their fire alarm system up to date with a kit of VS4 fire alarm panel, a new fire alarm enunciator panel, 14 horn strobes, 15 strobes, and 5 pull stations. ESCO also installed a DMP security and access control system that is able to be monitored through the customer's virtual keypad on their mobile device. They will also have real-time access if one of the 5 doors of card access was used or one of the 5 motion sensors was tripped. This is also tied to the siren and keypad at the main entrance. ESCO Security as well as MVE Group each took time to explain how the fire alarm system works, along with the security system, the electrical system, as well as the new lighting system.